And then the third roadblock that you come up against is list building. So once you've got the time and you're ready to spend it on something, the first thing that you really have to be focused on is building the list. You got the right strategy, you're focused on the long term, you're working consistently, and you have things organized. All your efforts now need to go into building a list of people who have opted in to receive information from you. So until you have a list of at least 1,000 active people, this should be pretty much your only focus. You don't need to worry about what you're going to promote or look for things to sell. You're not looking for any magic systems or anything like that. You're not getting distracted by shiny objects. You're just focused all of your energy on build the list, build the list, build the list. You're nowhere near being able to make any consistent sales at this point. You will make an occasional sale here and there, and depending on how you're building your list, you may get some commissions from some programs you're using to build your list. But consistent, reliable income isn't going to come yet at this stage. So you want to just be focused on the list building. So to do that, you need to have a top-notch autoresponder, and you need to have offers that you can send your visitors to that will cause them to join your list. Now, when I say a top-notch autoresponder, the first and most important rule that you have to have when choosing an autoresponder is that it is single opt-in. So some autoresponders like Rocket Responder and Traffic Wave are double opt-in autoresponders. If it's a double opt-in, then what that means is when someone fills in the form to join your list, they're going to be sent a confirmation email. And they only get added to your list if they click the link in that confirmation email. That is a horrible system for building a list, because in my testing, roughly less than 50% of the people who get sent that confirmation mail click the link, which means you have to subscribe at least twice as many people as you want. So if you want 1,000 people on your list, you got to subscribe 2,000, because half of them are going to be thrown away. There is one principle that I always tell people to think about is to look at what the professionals do. So look at the people at the top end of the market, the guys that are 7, 8, 9-figure marketers. Those 7, 8, 9-figure marketers are never double opt-in. When you join their list, you fill in your email address, you're on the list. They start emailing you. I can only think of one example out of all of them that is double opt-in. And so do what the pros do if you want the pro results. So you need an autoresponder which is single opt-in. That's key. If it's double opt-in, it's off the list. So then beyond that, obviously you want something that's easy to use, that you'll be able to learn, and you want something that is powerful enough to be able to grow with you, because switching autoresponder is not exactly a fun thing you want to do. So you need to have that top-notch autoresponder. Then you need those offers that you can send visitors to that get them to join the list. Those offers are usually a lead capture funnel, where you offer some kind of a bonus called a lead magnet, like a free report, in order to get visitors to give you their email address to get the report. So you have a lead capture page and a lead magnet and a thank you page. Now you can create those yourself and use a tool like ClickFunnels or Landing Page Monkey to do something like that. Or you can use a system like your Viral List, which provides those funnels for you. But you need something that you can send traffic to that puts people on your list, that has a compelling offer that they want. Then you need a good source of traffic to send to those pages, and you need a tracking system so that you know where your signups are coming from and what they're opting in for. So it's all this. Once you get started down this process, your whole life revolves around driving quality traffic to high converting pages to get people to join your list. The more traffic you drive, the more people join your list. This is a part of, as I mentioned, what's built into your viral list, and it has all the tracking and everything in there. And then you can send your traffic to your unique lead capture page and people will join. And you want to be trying out different lead capture reports to figure out which ones are converting the best. So it's always about send your traffic to whatever offer in any given week is going to convert the best for the traffic you send, and then send the most amount of traffic possible. So when you look at some of the people who promote my systems and my launches to build their list, if somebody is at getting 75 signups a week or something like that for their list, the reason they're getting 75 signups to their list is typically they're sending 3 times as much traffic as the guy who's getting 25. So it's a question of just driving maximum traffic, but from high quality sources, monitoring everything so that you're not wasting your time with traffic that doesn't convert or sending it to programs that don't convert. So you need to have all those pieces in place. Now, until you reach 1,000 active members, that is your daily mission. Just drive traffic, lead capture pages, watch it get signups, rinse, repeat. Once you've reached 1,000 members, you really kind of pass this list building hurdle. Until you get to that point, you just have to keep executing. Now, of course, you have to keep building your list even after you're past that hurdle, but by the time you get to 1,000 people, you've probably got a good system set up to do it. It's really just a question of continuing to put in the work and drive the traffic, and the list will keep growing beyond 1,000 people. But you will have worked out all the kinks by that point.